Welcome back, travelers. Today, we're diving into Miami, USA, ranked number 38 among the top 100 most popular travel destinations worldwide for 2024. Known for its vibrant nightlife, beautiful beaches, and diverse cultural scene, Miami is a melting pot of experiences. In this video, we'll guide you through a 5-day budget-friendly trip, covering everything from top sites to essential travel tips. Miami has a rich history starting from its founding in 1896. The city experienced a boom in the 1920s and again during the post-World War II era, becoming a key cultural hub, especially for the Latin American community. Today, it's a city of contrasts, offering everything from high-energy nightlife to tranquil natural parks. Let's start with a 5-day itinerary to help you make the most of your visit. Day 1. Iconic Miami. Morning. Begin your day at South Beach, famous for its white sands and Art Deco architecture. Don't forget to stroll down Ocean Drive. Afternoon. Visit the Art Deco Historic District for a guided walking tour. Most tours cost around $30. Evening. Enjoy the sunset at South Point Park, a perfect spot for photos and relaxation. Day 2. Cultural exploration. Morning. Head to Little Havana, the heart of Miami's Cuban culture. Check out Calle Ocho for authentic Cuban cuisine and vibrant street art. Afternoon. Visit the Perez Art Museum Miami or PAM to explore contemporary art exhibits. Entry is around $16. Evening. Experience live music and dance at Ball and Chain, a famous nightclub with no cover charge. Day 3. Nature and adventure. Morning. Take a day trip to the Everglades National Park. An airboat tour costs about $25 and offers a unique way to see the local wildlife. Afternoon. Explore Biscayne National Park, perfect for snorkeling and seeing the underwater life. Evening. Return to Miami and enjoy a quiet evening in one of the city's many parks, like Bayfront Park. Day 4. Shopping and leisure. Morning. Visit the Bayside Marketplace for shopping and dining, offering a mix of local crafts and international brands. Afternoon. Take a boat tour around Star Island to see the homes of the rich and famous. Tickets are usually around $25. Evening. Explore the vibrant nightlife in the Wynwood Art District, known for its street art and trendy bars. Day 5. Relaxation and departure. Morning. Spend your last morning relaxing at Crandon Park Beach, which is less crowded than South Beach. Afternoon. If you have time, visit the Miami Seaquarium for a fun and educational experience with marine life. Evening. Prepare for your journey home, ensuring all your belongings are packed and ready. Now let's talk about costs. A budget trip to Miami can range from $500 to $1,000, depending on your choices for accommodation, dining, and activities. This estimate includes accommodation, meals, local transport, and entry fees to attractions. For accommodation, consider budget-friendly options like the Freehand Miami or hostels in the downtown area, which offer beds starting at around $30 per night. For getting around, Miami's public transportation, including the metro rail and buses, is affordable and efficient. A one-way ticket is around $2.25. Taxis and rideshare services are also available, but can be more expensive. For international travelers, visa requirements for Miami, USA depend on your nationality. Always check your country's regulations and ensure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your planned departure date. Some nationalities can enter the USA under the Visa Waiver Program, while others may need to apply for a visa. Check current visa requirements and travel advisories from the U.S. Department of State. Don't leave Miami without a unique souvenir. Consider buying Cuban cigars or locally made arts and crafts. These make perfect gifts and keep the memory of your trip alive. For those interested in a deeper dive into Miami's history and culture, hiring a local guide can be an enriching experience. Prices for local guides vary, but you can expect to pay around $50 for a half-day tour. Miami offers a mix of vibrant city life and beautiful natural landscapes, all on a budget. Hope you liked this video. For our budget travel guides to your dream destinations, please visit our channel to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notification on new places to explore. Have a safe journey.